Take your shame, your shame of my profession, you know.
No, Daddy, I'm not shame.
No. For you get one, you can get two.
Yes, Daddy, but you have to wear it everywhere.
Well, alright. Me no wear it. You please?
Very.
Alright. Patricia,
Yes, Daddy.
you know something rest for my mind? As a matter of fact, it rests for me eye.
Daddy, what you talking about?
Tell me something. You did have to come out the street naked?
Naked? What you talking about?
Poop on your pants. Like how you and dog there, Russell. Eh? You don't feel the cool breeze.
Daddy, you come out here to cheer me up? I have to talk about my clothes.
Alright. Come. Listen. Hey, go over the little girl. You get broad though.
Daddy, don't start. Do that start.
Good to see her smile.
So are you more comfortable now, David?
Not really, you know. But if I become uncomfortable, you'll be the first one to know.
You know what I mean. You see that we searched the cruise ships and there was nothing there.
I'll give you that for the time being, or there's nothing on that one.
I even utilized 2 of your agents. They pose as cleaning crew.
I know. It's not the first time we've done this.
And they found nothing.
Nothing on that one.
There's one thing with you, David. You are relentless.
You should see me when I really want something.
I think I have a pretty good idea of what you do when you want something.
You have no idea.
I bet I have some idea.
Miranda, pardon me if I seem a little skeptical, but I've always followed my gut. And it has never failed me.
Me know you feel, you know. Well, me no really know how you feel. Me can surmise. But when I say, you can't feel so bad that you're not food, little girl. Food that is start alive.
Daddy, I know. But I'm just not appetite, right?
So, Patricia, how you and the boy?
I don't know, yeah, Daddy. I don't want to talk about it, because honestly, I just feel like I'm because all of this.
What you mean? What you mean I am cause it?
Because I'm chat too much. Now, from when I start telling people about pregnancy, I feel like I'm jinx it.
So, how that possible now, Pats? Him start chat about the pregnancy, and then the picnic walk go in the wrong troop.
Well, if indeed got a doctor with me the first time when I ask him for go, then maybe, I don't know, maybe them could have saved it.
I understand. But I really did this for you. If they found out that your agency was behind this search, you get shut down immediately. I'm the one with the links to the mission, so I was able to go on it.